Welcome to AU Scanners. In this video you will see the Vident i730AU with Toyota software installed, showing a wide range of Toyota model vehicles covered by the i730AU, including 4Runner, 86, Camry, Celica, Corolla, Hiace, Hilux, Prado, Land Cruiser, MR2, Prius, RAV4, Supra, Yaris and more. The i730AU is capable of doing tasks from basic diagnostics like reading and clearing fault codes, reading live data, all the way to advanced diagnostics and programming like ABS bleeding, battery matching, steering angle sensor calibration, injector coding, gear learning, DPF regeneration, key programming and much more. Functions are vehicle specific and may not be available on all vehicles covered. Please contact us for more information. This Toyota software is also available on a wide range of our Vident scan tools. For more options and information, please head over to our website at www.auscanners.com.au. Please consider subscribing to our channel to keep up to date with all your scan tool and diagnostic needs.